Hello, amazing family. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are watching me from, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Mama Twins Kitchen. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you guys. Today I'm going to be making a vegetable soup. This soup is going to be with spinach, but it's going to be grounded spinach. I don't know if you have tested this method. I don't know if you've done this method. Somebody just asked me to do it because she tested it when she came to my house. Please, I want you to keep watching. Thank you. Hello guys, as you can see, this is my meat. I was about seasoning before I started doing the recording. This is cow meat and cow foot. That's it, the cow meat and the cow foot. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is, I started adding the seasoning already, is curry powder. I'm going to be adding a little salt to taste. Please look at hot seasoning. I've added this one before. This one is nutmeg. I love using seasoning. This is cinnamon, grounded cinnamon. I love using seasoning to cook. This is minced herb. The people that know me, they know I love using seasoning because the perfect way you can have your food nicely cooked with taste is for you to apply seasoning. Now guys, I'm going to be adding my cube. Please, if you are living in Spain, this magatona cube is nice. The fish one, the fish. So I buy the fish, the macadona one, the fish one. If you are living in Spain, you try it. I mix it with the meat cube. So if I'm cooking chicken, I'll mix the fish cube and the chicken cube. But since I'm using meat and the cow foot, so I'll be using the fish cube and the meat cube. I always mix both of them together to give me a nice flavor. Please, if you've not been doing that, I recommend you try it. So because this make a soup, I'm going to be adding fish, so that is why I use the fish flavor and the meat flavor. So it's going to give me a wonderful taste. So I always say the difference between the food you cook at home and the food you eat in the party is the ingredients, the spices you add to it. Wow. Wow, wow, it's nice. Yes. I'm going to be adding more onions. Hello guys, this my spinach is washed already. It's washed, so I'm going to be grinding it. Okay. Hello guys, this is the scotch bonnet I'm going to be adding. I want to grind everything together. Hello guys. No, cow food takes very long time to get done. This is our grounded spinach, the grounded one. So I'll be adding everything together. So I take off the cow meat, the beef. I don't want it to be overdone because the cow food is going to take a lot of time. So I'm going to be adding some water. I want the cow food to be ready soon. Hello guys, I want to be adding the spinach. So we are going to leave the spinach to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. At least 10 minutes. Then I will be adding the vegetables. Hello guys, I'll be adding crayfish. So the next thing I want to be adding now, I'll be adding oil. Before I add my oil, I want to put the meat. Remember, I've not put my fish yet because I want everything to be cooked at once. Here's my fish. I'll be adding the fish. I did not add my fish earlier on, remember, because of the cow leg. So take a lot of time for the cow leg to get done. So I'm going to be adding a little water. So I'm going to be leaving everything to cook. Because the fact that the cow food is strong, so you have to give the cow food time to get done. I just added my oil. You know the oil here is too thick, so I'm going to be adding oil, not too much. Hello guys, the next thing I want to be adding is oga. I love using this seasoning. It's nice. It's nice. So I add a little to taste. Oga seasoning for soup. This is the oga seasoning for stew. Yes. This one is nice as well. If you want to cook jollof rice, stew, use that seasoning. So I just added my seasoning. Remember, I've added my oil. So we are going to be leaving everything to do together for at least 10 minutes. Then we'll be through. Remember the cow food. Look at it. So I did not allow the cow food to totally cooked. Here, that's why. Because I wish I put the fish earlier or the meat, since it will be overdone. So because of the cow foot, I just put the meat, the fish last. So everything is going to add, because I don't like the fish broken, scattering inside the soup. So just leave everything now to cook for at least 10 minutes. Let me check the taste. Oh, it's nice. Delicious. It's nice. It's nice. For real. For real. Please stay tuned. Hello guys. This is the finishing. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. Please check this method. Try it out. It's nice. It's yummy. It's yummy. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, thank you for watching. Please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe, press that notification button. Wherever I upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you very much. Love you. Bye bye.